Hey y'all, I'm in the garden today, and because of time change, by the time I get home from work, I don't have time to get any gardening done because it's pitch black outside. So I'm having to do things before I go to work in the mornings. Luckily, I don't have to go in until late. Chicken apparently has laid an egg and is letting the world know. But I wanted to get these sweet potatoes harvested, or see if there's actually anything in here to harvest. We didn't have very good luck last year because the ants around here ate everything. But we tried again this year, and if this year they did the same thing, then this will be the last time we even try sweet potatoes in this area. Hey, we know you laid an egg. Thank you. So anyway, let me grab a shovel and let's see if there's any sweet potatoes here. We haven't had our first frost yet. It's mid-December and we may not have a frost this year. You never know. Usually the deer eat all of the greens on the sweet potatoes, but this year they haven't for some reason. So I'm just going to pull all of the greenery out of the way, and then we'll dig around in here with a shovel. Alright, got everything pulled out of there. A big pile to go in the compost bin. And so far, got this and this and that. Got a worm in there. So, yeah, so far not good. Put these in the compost bin. We'll dig around in here and see if there's anything worth salvaging, but I doubt it. So nope, nothing other than the 3 little ones I showed you, so we won't be doing sweet potatoes here in the future. We will be putting them somewhere else. These stray cats are still available. We do still have roses blooming, as you can see. Okra is still growing, but I long ago stopped harvesting, so it's too big at this point, as you can see. Everything's still green. We do have some leaves dropping on the ground. Cannas still look pretty. We have worms eating away at our greens, but we are still growing greens. Just wish I could catch all the little worms. But every time I come out here, I can't find them. The cannas on the other side, still pretty and red. And we still have jalapenos growing. Got one that's prematurely red. But we do still have jalapenos that we need to pick soon. That one's still too little. That one's too little. And we have bell peppers still growing. There's one. That one I'll probably pick in the next day or two. But we're still growing here. I have Tommy putting together another planter like that, which is going to go here in front of the cannas to balance it out. And then I have 3 more that are going to go along the fence right there. And because we haven't had a first frost, the bananas are still fine. That one's turned yellow, but it'll be fine. This one's still green. So truthfully, I can't even say it was a disappointing sweet potato harvest because my expectations were very low. Sweet potatoes are one of the hardest things to grow around here because of the ant problem. Hello, kitty. So anyway, thank you guys for coming along with me today to harvest no sweet potatoes. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I hope you have great holiday parties or whatever it is you're doing as we get closer to Christmas. If I don't make another video before then, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Yesterday was my birthday and I ordered 2 20-ton what do you call them? Jacks. We'll just call them jacks, so we can finally get our house level so we can move forward. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Cats keep hitting the tripod. Y'all have a good week.